Hey guys, it's Eli.
And Cole.
That's your name.
Yeah.
Congratulations. I love that you announce yourself now.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a point of it every time.
Okay.
You're a big boy now.
Anyway, I'm a big boy now.
What do we got, Cole? This is a reaction.
So
and we're not sure what it is.
This is Singer 2019. We thought we'd done a lot of Singer stuff. I thought we should do something from the new season. I did. Eli didn't. I did not think.
I didn't think we should.
I did.
I didn't think we shouldn't do it. It's just that I didn't know who this was.
This is all in Chinese, and we don't speak Chinese. So
on YouTube,
we think after me doing research, Eli not being helpful, we think it's Wu Tsing-Fong Bird's Nest. If that is incorrect, then please scold us thoroughly in the comments.
We think that's what it is.
We think that's what it is.
We don't actually know for sure because, again, everything's Chinese. So
yeah, we don't speak Chinese.
We don't. I don't read Chinese or speak Chinese, and translators don't help with names really.
No. So we're gonna get crack-a-lacking into this.
You want to put your earbuds on?
Well, I will in a second.
When?
There. It's in.
Congrats!
Started.
You did it.
Rock.
Hey, music. Both of mine work. Both yours work?
Nope.
Must be because I plugged into this back thing. This is our first 2019 Singer.
Yeah. Wow. I guess I know what this song is because they all seem really excited about it.
Or they just like the spectacle of it.
Yeah, true.
颓废，像不曾去计算这季节，我让声音煮沸，想知道谁会心碎，我越嚼越沉醉，像分不清珍贵或废铁，我让眼泪作为炖汤粉，甜美这眼不曾为你端出台面，是我心血，怎么唱歌唱呀唱的唱出愚昧，这样飞呀飞的飞出了天边，换来一盆滋味，怎么梦想梦呀梦的梦出味道，这样盖呀盖的盖出一个家，纵人一直越深爱都。
This sounds really familiar.
Yeah, I don't care.
I feel like this is like Chinese translation of another song.
Yeah. Does it say it's Taiwanese?
I think so.
His pants.
Yeah. The whole outfit.
Yeah.
She knows the song.
Yeah. Or, well, I mean, he's repeating the same thing.
True.
So they all know that part.
She was really into it.
Okay.
I had mixed feelings about it.
Okay.
I liked it. I thought he had a really interesting voice, and I thought the performance was good.
Sure.
There was a few times. See, I assumed that this was a song that was translated from like English into
Me too.
into Chinese.
Yeah.
Because there was a few parts where like he would be saying a line and it would end very abruptly, and it seemed like it should have gone on, and like there was just words missing, and I don't know if it just sounded weird.
I thought his vocals were very clear,
Yes.
very crisp, very on note. There was a moment at the very end, the very last note, when I felt like there should have been, I think they call it bravado, like where the voice shakes. Are you familiar with what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Did you think it sounded like it should have been?
Yeah, a lot of it seemed very flat in general. Like the song in general kind of seemed.
Yeah. But do you see what I'm saying? Like when you have a long ending note, usually you're gonna have that bravado.
Yeah, I kind of know what you mean. I didn't think about that, but I did feel like the song as a whole seemed kind of flat.
I thought his vocals were good for the most part.
Yeah,
like,
no,
pretty flawless.
Pretty
really,
flawless. It just there wasn't a lot of like changing in tone and like what you said, like bravado and things like that. It was all just kind of like, here's my note, and this is what it is for the whole song.
I liked how his voice was different.
Yeah, his voice was very interesting.
Yeah.
Because his voice was so interesting, unique, it made it a lot more interesting.
Yeah. Overall, I liked it, though.
Overall, I liked it.
And considering that's the first performance, his first performance on here, like, I think, we'll see. We'll see where it goes. It could go either way. I think he could get better, or he could just stay the same. We'll have to just see where it goes.
Let's see where it goes.
Yeah.
Also, I liked the song in general.
Yeah, I did too.
And I think that, I'd be interested to see, like, another song that maybe I didn't like as much, maybe.
I don't know why.
Because I think, like, when I hear a song, because there's songs I've heard from other people that I don't like the song, but I still like the performance. And I feel like when I hear a performance of someone I'm not used to and I like the song in general, it's kind of like, I like the song, so it's more interesting. Yeah. So I don't really know if that sounds weird to be like, I want to hear a song that I don't like.
But so you can concentrate more on him
and less on liking the song.
I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
But yeah, I liked it, and we'll see where it goes for Mr. Wu. I don't think that's how you actually say it. I think there's.
Why wouldn't you? It's W-U. Woo.
No, I'm saying, like, I don't think you say Mr. because he's Chinese. I don't know what you'd say.
Yeah, I don't know how that works. We don't know anything about how names work in the world.
I don't know anything.
We barely know our own names.
Yeah. Anyway, like, subscribe, and comment to us, please.
Please do.
Please.